We got him. Yeah. CHIAPPA AK-22. He's calling up this tree. Fell down right here. Pretty sure he's dead. Yeah. Yep, it looks like we had a malfunction with the 30 rounder. Okay. If y'all can see this, but this is right where we hit him, right in the leg. Ooh, come right over his head. Yeah, it come right out of his head, I believe. Right there. Let's clear out malfunction. The feed lips on this 30 rounder is not finished. I just didn't want to go with the 10 rounder. Let's clear this malfunction. But anyway, that is the Matt Chew hunting channel. Been out here all day trying to get some squirrels on my neighbor's property. They said I'm allowed to hunt here. I tried hunting some deer and everything, but that's done passed, and I believe it's the last day of squirrel season, February 28th here in Georgia. But that don't matter because I'm just hunting them as pests, because according to Georgia law they're considered pests. So there's the squirrel. You saw it. Finally got some hunting footage. Got him right in the head between the shoulders, exited through there. Hope y'all saw that on the GoPro. And I'm gonna go see if I can get some more. It's getting pretty late, so hopefully y'all can see this whole setup here. Got this one squirrel, a gray squirrel, and this is Matt Chew's hunting channel. Make sure to like, comment if y'all want to see more hunting. We're gonna get a 22 rimfire scope on this, and I'm gonna continue hunting. If I don't get anything else, I reckon this is the end of the video. So unless there's more footage to be added, make sure to like and subscribe to the Matt Chew hunting channel, and hopefully soon we'll get a good buddy of mine and we'll do a catch and cook, and he'll cut up some squirrels for us. He's just like Bubba from Forrest Gump. He can tell you all the ingredients. Shrimp stew, but instead of all that, it'd be squirrel stew, fried squirrel. He's a squirrel hunter. We're gonna have him here on the channel, but I hope y'all enjoyed, and let's go get some more squirrels. If not, I'll see you on the next one.